So hello, welcome to our review Bluebeam tutorial. In this tutorial series, I'm going to explain how to use the Review Bluebeam for quantity takeoff and construction material cost estimation. So let's begin. As you can see, this is the interface of our Review Bluebeam software, and on the top we have the toolbar that states the file, edit, view, documents, batch, tools, windows, and help panels, and on the left we have several other options as well, and on the right we have other toolbars, markup toolbars and markup tools and other drawing tools as well. So let's begin by working our way on through the tools that we're going to use throughout our tutorials. So on the top we have the file tab. In the files we have basic file editing options such as creating a new PDF, opening a new PDF, combining and creating as well as we can edit, you can create some email templates as well. Next one is the edit. Edit is the same as some editing actions such as cut, copy and paste. View tabs are, you can have lots of options about viewing the PDF or the document that you're using, and also you can use show grid and show the snap to grid, so show grid options, snap to gridding options, and snap to the content and the markup options is there as well. The documents is used basically for document modification tools. Batch options is also used for other sets of tools such as the OCR tools. As you can see, we have OCRs, and we can have links as well in your documents. Probably not going to use in our tutorial series. So next is the tools. Tools is all the tools that we have in our Review Bluebeam software, such as the markup tools, the stamp tools, the measure tools, sketch, form and signature tools. And in the window we can minimize and we can manipulate how the windows are going to be on our Review software. One very important thing that we can have in our Review software is that the use of help functions. The help, if you hit F1 or click on the help button, we can get to a web page. It will be loading a web page, and you can have helping options for all the tools and all the PDF editing tools and studio tools, collaborative tools, and also there is a section about quantity takeoffs. You can go through it, the documentations and how to use them properly as well. And next is, if you close this out, next is all the tool. We're going to look at all the tools that we're going to use on the left hand side and on the right hand side as well. So first one is the file access tool. So if you click that at the file access, and in the file access, what you're going to see the top, the most recent opened up document as well. And if you want to get access to other documents, you just click on it and then click explore, and it will open up the directory of your computer. So let's just open up our most recent file, which is a floor plan. Let's open that up, and it will open up the floor plan as well, as you can see. The next toolbar is the thumbnail. So basically, just like Adobe Acrobat, we have thumbnails, we have bookmarks, we have layers. So layers is basically all the layers that we use on our drawings. It's a very essential tool for our Review. It has a very robust design for Review as well. And these are the tool chests that we're going to be using. There's different sets of tools such as the architect's review, the contractor review, and the engineer's review. So these are all the same tools, but engineers use a different set of tools, and contractors use a different set of tools, and architects use other sets of tools. So based on the specialization, you have access to different tools as well. And the other one is links. We're not going to be using links. And spaces, you can define spaces like that. So if you click on add space, then you can add a space like that bounded by a rectangular area, and you can rename it as you want. So I'm going to rename it garage, and then we have a space defined on our document. And if you click on that, we can select it, you can move it around, and then we can place it again. Okay, so that's the spaces. And the next one is the file properties. You can change all the file properties here. This one is the very important one, the measurement tools that we're going to be using on our next tutorial, and how you're going to use the measurement tools. I'm not going to bother telling anything about this in this tutorial. And this is the form tool. Not going to be using forms and signatures. These are Adobe Acrobat tools that Revu also has in their own arsenal as well. And next one is flags and sets. Probably not going to use those things. If you need to use them, I'll go through them when I use them. And this is the search option tools, and this is the login template, the login option for the Bluebeam Studio. So let's just go to the right hand side. We have text bar tools. You can add a text bar and add different texts, and then we can delete that as well. We have the highlighter tools, such as like this. You can highlight in certain areas and then you can delete them. This is the pen tool. This is the cloud talking head tool. This is the cloud talking bubble tool. So if you want to create a cloud talking bubble, and then you can use that. So let's just delete that. These are probably not going to be used on our quantity takeoffs. And these are cloud tools, these are call out tools, stamps, and also you can add images, and these are snapshots. And these are all the drawing tools that you will be using on our Revu program. You can use all sorts of drawing tools such as the line tool, arrow, arc. These are polygons and dimension tools. All these tools we can use as well. And these are some of the dimension tools or the measuring tools that we can use from this right hand side toolbar. And one other thing is that you can add different tool sets here. If you want to use different tool sets, you can show and hide them as well. If you want to hide for suppose the layers tab, you can just do that. And if you want to show them, then you just click on that as well. If you want to hide them, then you just click on the layers tab and it will open up here as well. And next one is if you want to add other buttons, such as say if you want to add the fonts button, fonts option, then you'll have the fonts option right on the top, and you can just move it around here as well. If you want to move this one to the other side, anywhere here, you can move that as well. If you want to move this is here, and then you can move it as well here as well. And you can add some sort of tools such as the line style tool, the order tools, and all sorts of stuff that you can do here as well. So these are the introduction for our tools, getting to know how the tools are laid out throughout the program. And on the next video, I'll be showing you how to use the measuring tools and all the markup tools. So I'll see you in the next one.